Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the basic trigonometry, the sine, cos, and tangent. I believe you know this, the basic trigonometry, where the sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cos adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over hypotenuse. If you're having problem to identify the H, O, and A, this will be easier way. H is the one that opposite the right angle. This will be the H. And O will be the one that opposite the angle. So you need to know how to identify these three sides, H, O, and A. For the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, then we have the SOH. Cos adjacent over hypotenuse is CAH, and tangent opposite over adjacent. So it's TOA. So we get the SOHCAHTOA. Before we move on, did you know that the basic trigonometry only worked for right angle triangle and it didn't work for non-right angle triangle? Basic trigonometry also can use to find the length as well as the angle. So you can use to find both. So here are the steps to use the basic trigonometry. Step one, you need to, first, of course, you need to identify the right angle triangle. Then you identify which one is the H, the O, and the A. After that, you choose to use SOHCAHTOA. I mean, either you need to use sine, cos, or tangent. Because some students, they just simply use, sometimes they feel like using sine, then they use sine. Sometimes they feel like using cos, then they just use, okay? But you cannot do that, do it wrong. Okay, let's try this question. So first, okay, this is right angle triangle. Okay, so H will be the opposite the right angle. O opposite the angle. And this will be A. Okay, now we are dealing with O and A. Therefore, is tangent. Okay. So tangent theta. Oh, sorry. Tangent theta is equal to OA. Therefore, tangent 42 is equal to O is X, A is 8. Therefore, your X is equal to tangent 42 times 8. You calculate, you should get tangent 42 times 8. 7.20. Okay. Next. So first, identify the right angle. Therefore, this will be the H. This will be the O. And this will be the A. So you have A and O. Again, is a TOA. So it's tangent theta equal to O over A. Therefore, tangent, your theta is 52, sorry. O is 12, A is X. Okay, so to solve this, just swap X and the tangent. Therefore, your X is equal to 12 over tangent 52. You should get 9 point. Yes. 9.38. Next, so it's right angle triangle, and then you identify HOA. This is right angle. This is H. This is the angle. This is O. Therefore, this will be A. So we have OH and O. So OH therefore is so it's sine theta is equal to OH. Therefore sine 24 equal to O is x over 16. Therefore x is sine 24 times 16. You calculate sine 24 times 16, x equal to 6.51. Okay, next. Again, find the x. So first you identify the right h, the O, and the A. Again, it's O and H. So we are dealing with sine. So sine theta equal to H. Sine 41 equal to O is 5 over H is x. So now your x is the denominator. Just exchange these two. Get x equal to 5 over sine 41. 5 over sine 41. We should get 7.62. Okay. Number 5, next question. So it's a right angle triangle. The next step, you identify the H, O, A. So now you're dealing with A and H. So AH will be cos theta equal to AOH. So cos angle is 35 equal to A is x, H is 7. Therefore, your x equal to cos 35 times 7. Calculate 7. You should get 5.73. Next question. Again, this right angle triangle. Next step, you identify the H, the O, and the A. So you're dealing with A and H. So it's cos theta equal to A over H. So cos 73 equal to A is 9, H is x. Again, now your x is the denominator, so you just exchange. You get x equal to 9 over cos 73. Therefore, your x equal to 9 over cos 73. 9 cos 3, you get 30.78 cos 73. Okay. So if you have any question to find the length, feel free to drop your comment, which part you have having problems. Okay, now let's find the angle. So first step, you need to identify, okay, this is right, the angle, triangle. This will be the H. This will be the O. This is A. So we are dealing with A and O. So it's OA, so it's tangent. So tangent theta is equal to OA. So it's tangent x equal to it's 3 over 8. Okay, so your x is tangent inverse of 308, you should get tangent inverse shift tangent 308 will give you 20.55. Oops, sorry. Oh, again. So it's 20.55. To get the inverse, let's put shift button plus the tangent. Get shift inverse, tangent inverse. Okay. Next, again, define angle X. So this opposite is H, opposite of the angle will be O, and this will be A. So it's A and H. So you deal with cos theta equal to AH. Always write the formula first so that you can remember. So your cos X equal to A is 5, H is 7. X equal to cos inverse of 5/7. You should get 5/7. You should get 44.4 degrees. So to get cos inverse, just shift and cos. Shift button plus cos. Okay. So it's a right angle triangle. Then you identify the H, the O, and the A. So it's H and O. So OH, therefore we use sine. So sine theta equal to OH. Substitute, you have sine X equal to O is 3, H is 10. So your X is shift sine inverse of 3/10. Calculate sine inverse of 3/10. You should get 17.5 degrees. Okay. Find the value of X and Y. Okay, X is here, Y is here. So first you identify the right angle triangle. Okay, if you look closely, you have one here. Okay, I label here as A, B, C, D for easy reference. Okay. So right angle triangle, you can either have A, B, D, or A, C, D. Okay. And then you have here is 70, is 6. Okay. So to find X, okay. So we can see here BD, X is okay. X plus CD should equal to BD. So the X is equal to BD minus CD. Okay. Change color. Okay. First, we find BD. You find BD, you have no angle, so you need to find. Okay. You need to find CD first. Angle here. Okay. So this is 90, 70. This should be 20. This angle should be 20. So you can find. Okay, to find BD, actually you can just use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So BD, if you can recall, BD square is equal to 9 square plus 6 square. So BD should equal to square root of 9 square plus 6 square. You should get 9 square plus 6 square is 10.81. 3 sub 13. 3 equal to 10.82. If you have any problem to use the Pythagoras theorem, you can refer to my video. I will put a link in the description. Okay, so this will be 10.82. So x is equal to 10.82 minus CD. Now CD is a right angle triangle here. So this will be the hypotenuse. And sorry, this is the opposite if you use the 70. Okay. So always be careful. The angle here, this is opposite. Opposite. And this will be the hypotenuse. We are trying with bigger here. This is 70. This will be 26. Okay, you want to find CD. You just take one of the angle, 70. So, opposite, what happened? Opposite the angle, what happened? Sorry for that. Okay, opposite the 90 degrees, the right angle is hypotenuse. Opposite the angle will be the opposite. This will be adjacent. So you want to find the adjacent and the opposite. So we are using tangent. So tangent 70 equal to tangent theta equal to OA. So tangent 70 equal to O is 6. And this is A. CD, just put A. Therefore, your A is equal to, I put CD. So CD is equal to 6 over tangent 70. You should get 2.18. Okay. So minus 2.18. You should get, so your X, space. X is equal to 10.82 minus 2.18. 8.64. Okay. So now the Y. Y, want to calculate this angle. Have to change another color. Okay. So Y is this angle. Partly here, so this will be Y plus 20. Okay. So we take this triangle. This will be the H. This will be the O. This will be the A. So it's 9 and 6 is A and H. So this will be the H. This will be the A. Therefore, tangent Y plus 20 is equal to what? Tangent is cos. Because A and H. A is 6. H is 9. So Y plus 20 is equal to 6. Tangent inverse of 6 over 9. So you will get tangent inverse is cos inverse of 6 over 9. Get 48.2. Okay, so this is 48.2. Therefore, Y is 48.2 minus 20, which get 28.2. So this is Y, this is X. Okay, therefore, x equal to 8.64, y equal to 28.2 degrees. This will be your answer. Okay, so remember to use the trigonometry, the basic trigonometry, first you need to identify the right angle triangle. Then identify the HOA, and you decide to use sine, cos, or tangent. Okay. So remember, practice is the key. I'll see you again, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.